Exactly.
Yes. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special, delicious breakfast. So guys can see the bread, 2 slices of bread and cucumber. Have you ever eat bread and cucumber? Try it in your home and see. Just buy your cucumber, wash it very well, get your sliced bread, then slice the cucumber like this. Slice it small small, don't slice it too big. Then don't put butter for the bread oh, don't butter it. Just slice the cucumber like this. Then you see you started placing it for the bread. Started placing them for the bread. And see, just arrange it like this for the bread, so guys can see. Then you carry this one, cover it, then you slice it into 4. You slice the bread into 4, slice it like this. You slice the bread like this, slice it like this, so that it will easy for you to eat it. Then you make your coffee. Then you started eating it. You can see how inside be. It's like this. If you like, you can cut it again into 4. So after you do it, make your coffee or tea. Then you started eat it as your breakfast. No, cucumber is very good in the body, and can put more. Can even put more by the side like this. When you are biting it, eating it, you can pick one again and eat it. It's very very good in the body. Cucumber burn fat, and when you eat enough, you walk straight to your vein, and it digests food also. So even though you eat plenty of bread with it, the thing will digest the food, cannot stay in your tummy. So try it in your home. So just a simple menu that I'm showing you guys. Just try it in your home and see. Cucumber and bread, some slice of bread, and just place it, slice the cucumber, place it in the bread, cut it, do your tea or coffee, then pick it and eat. You see the delicious, you like it. So you like it. Can see how my sister you eat it. Wow, can see, very very sweet, very delicious. Ha! Don't chop it, don't finish it for me, leave this one for me. So that's how you eat it. And then when you are taking it like this, you'll be drinking your coffee or tea. You'll be drinking your coffee or tea. So that is all for cucumber and bread. Please, thanks for watching. Please don't miss it. You try it in your home and see. When you try it, you will see what I'm talking about. You will like it. See you in my next video. We meet again. Bye.